Hi, do you need funding for your small business? With our incredible program, you can get up to $25,000 today. That's anywhere from $2,500 up to $25,000 today. And we want to help you to grow your business. So get the business capital that you need today. We've got online immediate approval. There are no hard credit inquiries, all soft pulls, okay? Receive your funds the same day or the next. And again, get up to $25,000 today. Our terms are transparent. We've got industry-leading early pay discounts, but you must be an LLC or equivalent to receive funds. And we've got very simple requirements. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account in your business name. Again, you must be an LLC or equivalent, okay? You only need to be in business 6+ months, okay? And a credit score of only 450 or more, okay? And all industries are included. So if you're looking for a great loan with easy terms, okay, then we've got the loan for you today. Grab the link in the description of this video and get started with us today. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.